Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, languages, add the keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of the available keyboard languages. So let's pick, for example, some language like like Greek, then tap done, and now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout here on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.